These days, we're all looking for ways to help improve the environment and protect our planet. We're recycling, reducing waste, and working to save energy. Many companies and organizations have sustainability and environmental goals. Iron Mountain Data Centers does too. We've invested heavily in wind farms and solar energy. And today, Iron Mountain Data Centers are powered by 100% renewable energy. Until recently, it was difficult to pass those green energy credits on to customers. But now, there's a solution. Introducing Iron Mountain's Green Power Pass, the first of its kind in the industry. Based on the new carbon reporting protocol released by the Future of Internet Power Working Group, Iron Mountain's Green Power Pass allows us to pass green energy usage and reporting on to our customers directly. Other providers in the industry are sourcing or creating green energy, and we applaud that. But Iron Mountain's Green Power Pass was the first to allow our customers to recognize this benefit themselves. In fact, Green Power Pass is the easiest, fastest, and the most cost-efficient way for data center users to reduce their reportable greenhouse gas emissions, while also meeting their public green power and/or carbon reduction goals. Green Power Pass customers receive an annual certification of attestation. We provide full documentation on the amount, source, and chain of custody of our green power. Does your company have sustainability goals? Here are 3 questions to ask your data center provider. Is your IT organization capturing or reporting on energy usage as part of the sustainability program? Are your data centers a part of your green story or program at your company? What are your customers' expectations for your green strategy, and how do you stack up against your competitors? Iron Mountain Data Centers can help your IT organization contribute to and achieve your sustainability goals. With Green Power Pass, Iron Mountain Data Centers enables our customers to benefit from our renewable energy contracts, green energy creation, and immediately reduce their carbon footprint. Not only that, but Green Power Pass can help your organization address their sustainability program in a more cost-efficient manner. That's because green energy offers more consistent pricing, offering energy savings in the long run. One of our large financial services customers has saved over $100,000 through participating in Green Power Pass. And a large aerospace customer has already saved more than $50,000 by moving to Green Power Pass. Their IT leaders, along with Iron Mountain, were recognized for their efforts and contribution to the sustainability program by the CEO on a company-wide earnings call. Best of all, Green Power Pass is available across our global portfolio of data centers and available to any customer worldwide. So what are you waiting for? Contact us to learn more about the Green Power Pass today.